Hello friends, this video on the food, where does it come from, part 1 is brought to you by the Karbi Education. Lasi pini pen ilutum online class ceng pon ilulang ilutum kiceng si laki class 6 NCERT Science Chapter-1 Food and its source. That's what chapter ilutum sitan pon ilunang. So, topic to be covered in this chapter are food variety, food ingredients, food materials and sources, like plant source and animal sources. What do animals eat? So based on the types of the food animals eat, animals are categorized in the several groups like carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, scavenger, parasite and decomposer. So after completing this video series, we will understand all this term. So without wasting any time, let us start the video. So now food. What is food? Food is the substance which we eat or drink. Iltum kupima ke cho mate ke jun or mu kereng iji pan mate ke the iji pan in order to grow. Laphansi food polo. For example, I have given here like the rice, vegetables, fruit, tea, coffee, etc. Okay, iltum kupima ke cho ke jun or mu hortar lahai an ke food polo. So here I have given some of the example. Here rice, tea, juice, vegetables and fruits. Lasi lahai ta itum kichu sono. Lasu lahai ta itum kichu hormone. So these are the foods. Okay. Let us talk about animals. So birds eat seed. So seeds is their food. Similarly, horse eat grass. So grass is their food. Rapuson lo. Lasi marat maring atum punon alangtum ku pisi ke cuma hal alangtum ke son lake alangtum a food lo alangtum a an lo. Si ilitum ta ku pima ke cu ilitum ke son hormon ke lake ilitum a an lo. So these are our food. So why do we need to eat food? Itum ku pisi food kenang sod an itum man ku pisi kenang sod. So here you see, food provides energy to carry out various day-to-day activities like walking, running, cycling, studying. So itum ason tina kam le claim pusami itum pan kupil la anke kenang so. Ason taxi cycling, running, studying, even sitting. Kang ni pan da itum yong si energy ave botang te itum ingni da one. Energy itum koda pelong energy mane jakong horang jakong itum koda pelong kilongji jakong iltum kilong ke an kichupen si jakong long. So an along pen iltum jakong long. So lanjut ta kalilang aku tu sulang. It helps in the growth and a repair of worn out cells and tissue. So nang tum la cells pen tissue pu bang chin da ta hai. So kasin da mi phan liang than pong chupong utang mana isi arpong walls. Let us take walls. Okay, walls is made of brick by keeping one after another. Ita isi pen isi bachar ningsi isi walls lampo. Lapuson da taxi ilu tuma bangta cell si isi pen isi bachar ning po latum si tuma bangta nang si manlo halo lason. So these are cell. So lahaya cell si intum okarlo akam kidoan klemponik po. So cells again they combine. Cell atum chingrum si isi a group form po pakai tissue po. Asiratum isi a group form po latum isi specialized function kibunang ke latum isi akam klemponik po. So you will get more about cells when you reach a higher class. For now, let us understand that food helps in the growth and repairs of worn out cells. Mane la cell but tissue na tumang bang kupini kasik sak du kong lo pini la tu makam ba chiklem lo katura du kong lo putang te lahaya long kapami dunji lapen lahaya cells lapen lahaya tissue pan kapathi dunji afan an itu afan ikirap do. So this is cell lahalo cells lo laki nucleus pulo so laki nang lim menang tum higher class little tang tum long pon pon. Another, it protects the body from various disease and keeps us healthy. So ECL akam maklalo an iltum pan protects the body kesu kyun epen an it pani pajogon iltum isi kenang sot ken kichu nang ye a hormu chup potang te pinang an kisuke iltum nang pajogon lahelo. Another function of foods, it protects the body from various disease and keeps us healthy. Iltum jongsi kenang ya an kenang so de ok pan kenang ji an iltum si chupon theklo pulatang te iltum penang anake suke iltum jog ponji. Next come food variety ma ki putam ke ason iltum kichu ason. So people of different states of India eat different kinds of food. Pudang ke India along kaprek a states bukan nang chini puta hai no along a state penang an state ke kichu na son che for example India along kaprek a states pudam nang north east to dum an chupo penang an adim long roti chupon po la pusa la anta kalilang we eat different items of food in different meal during the day for fun and to stay healthy. So what does it mean? We eat different types of food in different meal puki budam ke ilatum adapaan anarluan ajuan la pulason kabahagyo lahai pasi meal puki budam las ilutum la meal along tailutum kichoson kapri tu adap breakfast along ilutum langdam lu pulang tu ilutum lo item do fruits lang po bread lang po tea do po butter do po apusan lunch long pulang lo pulang te aja hagatum ki la lokhi chupon po abhagatum ki handu po andu po apusan. For what? All this we eat for what? The main purpose for ourselves is for fun and to stay healthy. Kamu nel tepuk lang lo isil tum kichu people see iltum kichu ason kaprek rinako people see sivera an chuchi that iltum. This is for fun and to stay healthy. Okay? Lasi pini ke class tak kecenglang lasi pini understand pon ik cholonang kona ni ke chok che dulang na penang tum karju dun thek thi dulang putang te comments long nanju pon ik tame